My channel, it's Rocco here, and I haven't done a YouTube video in a long time. Anyways, today we're basically doing, so Blair is basically bored and she steals her older brother's car and gets in a car crash because she can't drive. She's only 15. Did I say Blair? Why do I keep saying Blair? Because that's not her name. I just like the name. Her name is Jessica. Oh my gosh, I watched too much Toka Bar. Anyways, hope you enjoy the rope. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get in. Oh, that stupid alarm. I want it to just let me have a couple minutes of sleep. I'm so tired. Anyways, I'll just get dressed and figure out what to do today. Outfits. There's nothing I could really wear. Well, I can wear everything, but I don't think I really want to. This is cute. I'll just wear that, I guess. Why is this? Okay, whatever. Okay, I don't really care anyway. This is cute. Okay, gotta do my skincare. Get my skincare bag on. Oh, I need this in my shower. Thinking about that, I shouldn't even have put my clothes on because I need to take them off in a minute for my shower. So there was no point. I still need that. Just put all of those in. And just put that back. Just brush my hair, I guess. And get into my robe. So cute. I just put my clothes there. Okay, come on. Turn the shower. Wash. Oh. Sorry if you can't see her having a shower, because that normally happens and it's so annoying. Well, on shorts anyway, so like, oh my god. One sec, I've got to sort this out. Okay, there we go. Better? And no, it's not. Whatever. Wash. Okay, just have to do this. Anyway, let's carry on washing. Wash. Are you telling the orange one too? Because the orange one's really good. Okay. Just need some of this. Some of whatever that is. Okay. And some of that. Wash myself again. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go put this back and get dressed. I don't know why I keep it in my skincare bag. I could just keep it over there, but whatever. I had a shower with my whatever. Okay, put that on. I need to get a face mask. Which face mask? I want the orange one. It matches with my outfit. Just put that on. Put that. Okay, I'm just gonna go on my phone while I wait for it to dry. Let me just give my dog some treats. I think about it. Here you go. Will you stop sleeping, dog? You're so lazy. Anyways, I'm just gonna go on the phone. Okay. It's been a couple of minutes, so it should be good now. Just take it off. Perfect. Let me just put my headband on. And I'll just flush it down the toilet. Like, who cares? Anyways. What? I just need to do my heating now. Don't ask why I have all of them in here and a whole vending machine. Like, who cares? Okay. protect that I won't flush down the toilet. Why do I have these glasses? They're kind of ugly. Yeah, I lost the blue glasses. I had these blue glasses and I really liked them. And I kind of lost them by deleting them. Anyways, doggy, you're gonna... Oh, no, not the water. Can you eat? Eat, doggy, eat. Oh my gosh, this doggy is so silly. Okay, anyways. Just make my bed, I guess. What else? I'm just gonna take all of these out and put whatever these are in there. Okay, whatever. And then put these right there. Get. God. Okay, maybe I will put them in here. Okay, let me take everything out. Take everything out except for the towels. Put these in, especially. Okay, finally. That's all done. I'm just gonna write in my journal. Okay. Just brush my hair again because I didn't really do it properly last time. Get perfume. Perfect. I guess I'll just take a sip of my drink. Okay, what should I do today? There's literally nothing to do. Think. I have an idea. Where's the face? How about I steal Liam? How about I steal my brother's car? What's his name again? How embarrassing. I forgot my brother's name. I actually forgot his name. Anyways, that don't matter. Let's just go steal his car. Okay, where should I go? I don't know. I'm just gonna pack some stuff. What do I say? Some stuff so loud. Anyways. Sorry if there's noise in the background because my mom is woke up now, so she might be coming down. And my sister came down a minute ago. That's why I paused. Anyways, so yeah, sorry about that. What should I bring? Why is there... whatever. I need a water bottle. I'm gonna bring this one so I don't spill. Spray myself. I don't know where I'm going. I'll just go anywhere. Leave you. I don't know. Leave you, sadly. More notebooks. I mean, I guess I could bring a notebook. Actually, I will bring my journal so I can write down everything that happens. I don't think there's anything I need. I wish I could bring you, but I don't want you to get hurt, so I'm just gonna leave. I can't find anything else I would probably need. Guess my planner. I'll bring that, and that should be good. Just brush my hair. Okay, I might need some perfume, and I might get messy hair actually, so I guess this is good. Okay, that should be it, and it's kind of early in the morning, so I gotta be quiet. That was loud. Luckily, nobody's on my floor. I basically got this whole floor to myself, except for the kitchen. Wait, okay, whatever. Just go downstairs. Oh, by the way, with the car, I don't talk about do cars, so I just use my starter home. Yeah. Going down. Why does it look like my sister is awake? Anyways, I'm just, who cares? profane in here. I'm scared. Hopefully he's not his car or whatever. But anyways, let's just go. Loading. His car. Let's start at home. Okay, this is basically his car. Okay, his car. This is his car, the outdoors. More outdoors. Anyways. I'm just gonna he left the road radio off and on and off. Anyways, I'm just gonna put my bag up here. And guess I'm gonna start there. Drive. Oh wait, where am I going? Oh, I'm gonna go to my door. Drive. Okay, we've made it. Let me just get my bag. I don't know where I'm gonna go after, but who cares? No. Maybe like whatever it's called. Where is it? Oh, I forgot. Okay, we're inside, and oh my gosh, it looks so good. Bobas, there's literally bobas. I need to get a boba. I forgot I didn't bring money with me. So just pretend this is her card. Okay, not be bothered. Get an extra card. I want to sit here. Please move. I'll tell. Weird person, whatever. Oh, there's so many good things. What is this? Elegant triangle. Maybe it's on this. Okay. Yeah. I can't really do the other one because the camera thing in the way, and now my screen. Sorry if you can't see the shapes. I just did it and then undid it. It's this one. Okay. Let's see what it enters to. Give me. I got. Oh, I forgot the recipe. Why can't? Where's my character gone, guys? My character's in there. Please open. Oh, she went right there. Okay, I don't know why I can't go in, but I don't really care. I'm just gonna shut that. Abandon the place. Okay, anyways, for food, I'm just gonna order these pancakes, I guess. It looks good. And then a boba. I really like the color. All of them, so I'm just gonna try all of them. I'm just gonna put them in my bag. Also, two of them don't fit. I'm gonna order one of those drinks to learn. I think the blueberry kind, because blueberry spice. Yes, I'm gonna have a lot of drinks, but who cares? Okay, let me just go place. Pretend she's working because, yeah. Okay. I've got to pay for everything. I'll just pay for it after I get in. Okay, there's the green bubble. It's really good. This blueberry drink, whatever. In this room. So good. I'm in love. Anyways, I heard it's not too good to have like too many drinks for your food, so I'm gonna just eat my food first. I don't want to eat. So good. Pancakes here are the best. You and I guess I'll have you. Okay, perfect. Just gonna check every. Oh, sorry, I checked the plan. Why would you do that? Because I did that. Okay. Let's go. Thank you. You're welcome. Actually, no, thank you because Okay, pretend like I never just had that like the most greediest person ever. Anyways, let's get my card out and pay. Okay, that wasn't too expensive. So yeah, let's go to the next place. Yeah. Where is the car? Okay, get you out. Okay, we're in the car, and I'm just gonna place my back up there and drive. Wait, I'm gonna go invite my friend over. Let me get my phone. I wanna invite her over because I don't wanna invite her over because I'm not at my house. I'm driving places. I'm sneaking out, basically, in the daytime, so it's pretty cool. And don't mind why I'm taking everything. Okay, bestie. Hi. Hi. Do you wanna stick out with me? Yeah, whatever. I don't know. I'll pull upside your house. Come in. Okay. Bye. Bye. Okay. Hopefully she didn't think like I'm a complete psycho after she just heard. Anyway, get my back up there. Drive. What happened to the radio? Drive. Okay. This should be her house. So yeah. Hi, I'm here. Hey, baby. Okay, we're sneaking out. Where? I don't know. Just come on. I'm looking down. 1 sec. I'm gonna drive back to the place. Yeah. What do you want to do? I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Starts dancing. Oh no. Watch out. You people, his I'm sorry, I just had to stop. Anyways, these people just crashed into me. I guess I'll call 999. I don't really care. Did they have a phone? Because I don't have my phone on me. Credit card won't steal that because I'm a nice citizen, even though they nearly killed me. Okay. Okay. Hello, this is 999. What service do you need? We need an ambulance. These girls got into a car crash. Okay, we'll be there right away. Okay. Just pot everything back in her bag for it. Like I said, I'm a nice citizen. Whatever. I'll just go. Bye, girls. Oh, wait, they can't hear me. Just put the button in. Okay, who should I use for these toys? 2 people. Can these are police? They're the closest I can get to the Oh god, these girls have been. Oh wait, I forgot. Okay. Oh my gosh, these girls have been. That was good. Okay. Luckily, she ain't bad, but she seems better. I just realized I don't have the hospital. So, I guess I'll just see if I can get contact code with the mom. Oh, hi, honey. Are you okay? Where are you? Your daughter has gotten into a car crash. Huh? Your daughter? What? She's only 15. She's not old enough to drive. Oh my gosh, she better not be in her brother's car. Wait, what's her name? Like, that's embarrassing. Anyways, your daughter's in a car crash. I'm gonna bring her home. Hopefully she'll be fine. We're just gonna look after her there because the hospital's fully good. Okay, come right away. Okay, I'll be there soon. I think I know your address. get her out of there and drive. Drive away. I'm just gonna pause it because I can't be out. Okay, I guess I'll put them in the bed. Let's wait for them. I forgot to get the mom. So, yeah, I just saw the mom and I passed. Oh my gosh, my baby. Oh, that one. But okay. Are you okay? Oh my gosh, where's the bag? It's in the car. Girl, you left it in the... Yes. She needs her phone. Where the hell is her sister's phone? I don't know where her sister's phone is. She needs her bag. Okay, pretend this is her phone because I can't be about to go get the phone. Hello? Are you Sunny's mom? Yes. My daughter got your blonde over along with her in it. Yeah, so come right door. Okay, I'm coming. Bye. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna pretend this is her mom. And just get her in a good outfit. Oh my gosh, I'm here. Oh my gosh, my poor baby. I know that's what I said. I'm gonna cry. Well, luckily this girl isn't hit as bad as the other one, because the other one was driving when she is hit as bad. She will be okay though. Oh my god, thank you so much. Yeah, I think she'll just need to rest. She might not wake up until tomorrow. Okay, bye. If she does, then you're very lucky. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh my gosh, I hope she's okay. They wake up very. Sorry, I had to pause it again. They wake up very, very confused. Where are we? You're at home, honey. You got into a car crash, and it says like you can remember everything apart from the car crash. Oh my gosh. That's every major. Okay, just rest up for a couple of days, and you'll be fine. Okay. Okay, guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.